Well, we made some improvements on the cigar box stand. We have it attached onto a with a block, and we're using a cell phone holder for that goes onto the tripod, and I'm securing the back with a bungee cord. And so then, to expand the palette, which I mean is perfectly fine without when I paint small, but I went and got a piece of board at the dollar store and attached it onto with the clips. And then we had another box from a different cigar box that could attach to give us some more real estate. And we have our little bucket there in the front. I also have a clamp-on cup holder that can go onto the tripod itself, but we have more options now. So when I'm painting with watercolor and then gouache in the other palette, I've got two palettes sitting there that I don't have to hold. So taking a little walk around again to go to the back to see how this all goes together. You can see it's a standard tripod, and the trick is to use a piece of wood. Use a piece of wood to fit where the phone would fit, and secure that wood in the bottom of the box. I'll show you in a minute how that is. So that's just a cell phone. It only cost about $7 from Amazon, and you can see where it's screwed in. Just another idea, and it works very well. I used it and it worked very well for me. I'll insert pictures of that from a Plein Air show that we were doing this past week. Enjoy making your Plein Air box.